Start the intro? I didn't even start anything.
What's going on YouTube?
Did you actually start it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so today we're installing a 4-inch Cervini hood on Colin's car. He just got it freshly painted. It was used, so he got it for a super good deal. We're cleaning it up, so underneath you can see there's a bunch of little marks. We're gonna do a fresh coat of black underneath, and then we got everything to install it. So we're gonna jump on that and show you guys how to install our Cervini hood. All right, we got Carlos over here. Carlos is taping her up.
Getting to work.
So Colin's taping up all the edges where the white paint is gonna lay, or where the white paint already is. So we're gonna try to do as much as we can. I got a bunch of extra gloss black paint cans. So this is kind of a little home job we're doing.
Just something slight. What we have going on now?
So we finished cleaning it. Everything is wiped down. I think she's ready to be sprayed. Fresh coat of black. It's all clean as it's gonna get. Just trying to get some of the moisture off.
You think before we spray it black, we should just put it on top of your car while we spray it?
That's probably, or no, we'll put it on top of the GTR.
Oh yeah, it's already black.
Yeah, so we don't get an overspray on anything.
You'll never know.
We'll never even know.
His window tint will get a little bit darker.
Just.
You said you wanted 5% on it, right?
Yeah, we're gonna do 5%.
We could do it with them spray cans. What kind of paint we got going on over here?
So when I ordered on Amazon, we're using the VHT caliber paint because it's super strong. It held up on the rotors on the S550, and then we got gloss clear. So it's super good for high temp, so the engine heat's not gonna bother this paint.
Yeah.
And yeah, Amazon sent me a full case of it, so we're gonna use it.
To be honest, anything looks better than just what it is right now, so.
Yeah, we're on a budget build, so
We'll do
it's gonna be a certified race car after
We'll do a
this.
little before and after and see what we got.
Yeah, give them a little walk around.
I mean, you can see they literally didn't even tape it off when they sprayed it, because you can see it's all white under here.
Yeah, they didn't do the best job, but you know, we're gonna do it better.
Yeah, we'll see what we come out with at the
We're gonna
end.
make this hood look brand new.
I mean, you can see the spots because it's really our first coat, but
Yeah, this is a pre-coat.
I mean,
Plus,
look.
this is like the flat. Once we're done, we're adding the. Oh fuck!
This guy. You can see we know what we're doing here. Look, covered up.
Done. Fixed.
Looks a lot better.
No, you never even saw that. Just bring it through it.
But yeah, I mean, this is a guy for the job right here.
Yeah, it is what it is. Contact my number. It's 1-800-@paint. And yeah.
He knew we were painting black today, so he put the all black outfit on.
I got the fit on for it.
That's how you know he knows what he's doing. Yep.
So we're gonna keep going at it, and after we put like 3-4 coats, it's nice and thick, covers up some of the little imperfections in the fiberglass. We're gonna hit it with a lot of clear, and it should be ready to go on the car. All right, got the hood off to the side. Now gotta pull this turd up in here, make it a true race car. Fire up, Terry. That front lip's still holding on. What the hell is that? Oh, salt. Oh, yeah. Bring her on. Bring her on in, Terry. Oh yeah, that's perfect. A little more. I think that's good. Perfect.
That was the wrong button.
That was the trunk.
Hold on. This is where you pause the video. It's like a monthly subscription. Look, there's a dog out front.
Oh shit.
It's kind of like OnlyFans, but it's for cars. Everyone donate $5 right now.
Thank you. Holy shit, Terry. Was that an LS3? Then LS?
It's a pretty fast car. Not sure what it is. They just gave it to me from Ford like this.
Pretty sure it's a Chevrolet.
It's a new demo motor, they told me. Something cool about it, not really sure.
I think it started with the Eco Boost.
E85 supercharged?
Alright, so we're gonna figure out how to take this hood off and
First you unconnect this.
yeah, when you take the hood off, yeah, take the sensor off there, stick it down in there,
and see what happens.
Yeah, let's just.
Still a little bit high from the paint, but
It's all right. It happens.
there's a guy in the window.
Oh shit.
Jacob.
Terry. Damn, Ford needs to hire this guy. All right, so you gotta take that off. Colin's gonna swap that over to the new hood. I've been working on the cover, pulling these pins. There's a shit ton of them. Be careful when you're doing it because they shoot down into the engine bay. Can you take this out? No, that's into the hood. So we're gonna have to get bolts for that.
Is it welded on?
Should we get a hammer?
Yeah, I might hammer it out.
All right, let me get my welder. We're just gonna have to weld the hood on.
We'll see what happens.
We got it. Someone signed it.
Oh my God! Is that Dale Earnhardt Jr.?
Some bitch it is, Terry. That is Dale.
He always knew we were gonna buy this one, huh?
Praise Dale. Praise Dale.
Praise Dale in the comments.
So all right, Dale Earnhardt signed this from Ford himself. If you want to purchase this, we'll sell it to you about $10,000. It's custom. See that? Dale.
All my fact checkers, you can check that at home. That's legit.
D-A-I-L. Dale.
That might have been his cousin.
There's a 50-50 chance Dale's cousin was drunk.
And if you do see this, Dale gave me a half of a heart right here. He was gonna make a full heart.
Because he loves us.
He was gonna make a heart.
Not his cousin.
His cousin. His cousin, just a little bit.
Just a little bit loves his cousin, but you know, Dale signed it, so. Weight reduction.
We're doing great.
We need to go back to Home Depot and return this. We're done with this now.
Show them that tool.
All right, I got this tool. Oh, actually, we got to pop off a few more things. So these have clips.
Do we gotta take these off?
Yeah, that's got to go in here. See, they go right there. Those get swapped on, and see that big rubber piece in the back? That also has to go on the hood too. That doesn't. So we're selling that. 10,000.
That's a good deal, to be honest with you.
Trying to get a Whipple. That's brand new. And Dale signed it. Pull that plastic thing right there. Pure luck.
Mine came out.
Lucky.
Show them what you did over there.
So I was trying to use the clip perfect. Colin was yanking on his side. And I was like, no, you got to use the clip. Oh. These clips freaking suck. Did he break it?
Yeah, bro.
I told you.
It's junk.
So I don't think these are gonna get reinstalled on the new hood. Why did it break so easy?
Didn't they just pull it off in a video?
No, if you go watch the actual Cervini's video that they did, or what was it, American Muscle?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you watch the video close, I rewinded it. I'm pretty sure the guy snapped it too.
You probably did.
Yeah, so.
Edit this out. Cut it.
Alright, so I pulled up the American Muscle video to prove it to Colin that they snapped them. Screenshot it. That's the video. Now click that and zoom in. You guys can see all the plastic
1, 2.
was left in there.
Let's see how we did. I mean,
We did better. That was the passenger side. That was the one that snapped on my side.
so we got the middle one there, and then.
Dude, it doesn't even look like it's gonna want to go back into me because it got completely mangled.
I'm
But
not even sure. Look at the holes on here. See how big they are?
yeah,
Now look at that.
they're
Don't even
bigger.
no, they look real small. Look like it won't even go in there.
Yeah, we're probably just gonna have to super glue it or make something up. We'll figure that out. We'll keep you guys posted. Yeah, this is
Just
just
look, just line that up with that hole over there. It goes the other way.
so you guys can see.
It goes like this.
Go that way.
Yeah.
Oh, true.
Look how big that is compared to that little hole.
Oh yeah, that ain't even gonna fit.
I don't know.
No shot.
How's that supposed to go in there?
That's how it's gonna work. So that might not go on, guys. That might not really go on.
We will see.
On to the next step. We gotta remove that weather stripping at the back and the windshield wipers, the fluid part. All right, so Colin's gonna drill the hood. You think you're a mechanic? I'll cry laughing if you go through and punch it through the other side.
I think we gotta get a bigger drill bit.
I told you.
Yeah, probably.
One size up.
That's scary.
We're certified.
It's real scary.
What
are we doing now?
Putting a little bit of glue in the hole because all these tabs suck, and we had to drill it a little bigger because the tabs were absolute garbage. So now we can just jam it in there.
It should fit in
I
now.
got super glue on my finger.
So this one we only have these two, but
Oh,
we go.
perfect. Here, put a little bit of glue.
the top?
Yeah, I can pull it back. I put some in that hole already, but just kind of put it like down the whole strip. You can. Yeah, not too much, just nice thin. Now we can just lay it. We'll grab actually a piece of that painter's tape, and to hold it down, we can put it against the paint. So this is something you guys might have to do, because I mean everything aftermarket, I say this all the time, is not perfect. So be prepared to run into anything that is not going to go back like stock. All right, so we got everything off necessary. Now Colin is popping off the tabs that sprays the windshield wiper with the fluid. So you got to pop that off, and then we have to disconnect the nozzle there. Pop it off on the passenger side, disconnect the nozzle, feed everything through obviously, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. It looks like it's clipped in, and you can see. And then Colin, you're gonna have to like go back down, and then you have to twist it to like pop it out. I'm pretty sure, because I think that there's a piece, this piece right here. You'll see, guys, this is too thick, so it should just disconnect right here. That should disconnect, and you're gonna have to just feed it through, and then obviously install it the same way you took it off on the new Cervini hood. It's alright if you break it. We offer warranty at the shop. Son of a man. Oh, you're looking weak on camera now.
Oh, fuck.
How hard was that on there?
That was pretty good on there.
Let me see it. So that's what sprays the wiper, a little piece of plastic. Piece of junk. Throw it in the engine bay.
We don't need it.
We don't need it. It ain't going back on.
You got this side?
Nah, you got it. I'll film you. Don't look weak on camera.
I hurt my finger.
Just yank it. Oh god, he's looking weak. There you go. Toss it. It doesn't hit the bottom. Alright, so now we need to grab that tool, that little husky tool for the clips. And you gotta pop off that one, and that one. And then we'll just be able to feed it all through. Alright, so everything is disconnected. That is necessary. The windshield wiper fluid is out of the way. Next step is, I mean, we still gotta do that, whatever, the weather stripping right there. So we're just gonna take the hood off, and then we'll take that off after. But we have the hood struts, the Ford Performance hood struts we gotta take off, so we're gonna unbolt it there. Everything should be a 10 mil. There is one at the bottom and one at the top, and you're gonna do the same on each side. So I'm not gonna be able to film this. We're just gonna have to put the camera down and rip old Betsy off. You like meat? Let's do this. Time to drop the motor.
I'm not eating this whole video.
You fat ass. Alright, you're gonna hold the hood up.
It's balcony season.
There's one. Damn. Call me Ricky Bobby. Alright, I'm not gonna be able to get that one. I'm gonna have to use a small hand one for that. Get this one. Yeah, the paint at the end was just like kind of making it a little tough. Alright, so...
It's your side?
Yeah, you got that side?
Oh, baby.
Alright, let's just...
To be honest, I think this is lighter than the hood that we're putting on.
Oh, this is... Alright, so the stock hood is probably half the weight of the new hood.
No way. Not half the weight.
Alright, maybe like 20 pounds. Alright, go over there. We'll be back. Alright, it looks a lot worse than it is, but we're just building a race car. This is what comes with it. This is how it gets...
I don't like it without the hood.
Kind of looks pretty cool.
Should we leave it?
Yeah, we're done.
Is that part of that?
We're good.
Look at
Call...
all these paint chips everywhere.
Son of a Terry.
From those bolts. That's all the paint coming off the bolts you just unscrewed?
Yeah, they were a little tight coming off the end. But yeah, so next thing I'm gonna do is just swap everything over to the Cervini hood, and pick the Cervini hood and reinstall it.
Update on the vlog. There's a guy over here drilling in the hood. So there's 21 holes. He's making, 21 bigger pilot holes into the holes that were there already.
Yeah, the other holes were way too small. None of them fit at all. So
You rhyming?
call me the real Slim Shady.
So he went across and drilled them all out. So now stripping should fit in there perfectly.
Yep, now I'll just add a little bit of super glue so it doesn't go nowhere for good measures. And we're ready to rock. All right, guys, we got the hood on. Everything's buttoned up on the bottom. So now we have to feed in the windshield wiper fluid, the sprayer nozzle. There's two pieces. You're gonna see the two 90-degree angle pieces. You have to disconnect both of them. There's just a little clip. Pull it back with like one of your nails, and you just gotta feed it through. You'll be able to see as you're doing it.
So we gotta take these off.
No, he didn't take them off. I don't think they took them off. You could just leave them.
It's not going through.
Oh, it's not? Then you could probably just take them off then. We could just put them to the side and save them. So these are like kind of the last connectors to the sprayer. One's gonna be on the passenger side, one's gonna be on the driver's side. All right, so everything is clipped in. The windshield wiper fluid is ran. They're on this Cervini hood. They don't have the pins to go in, so you might have to take them off to fit it through this hole right here. Slide it through and they clip in the same way as the factory one. When you do it, you kind of got to leave these loose to keep adjusting them and to go back and forth. Just so when you keep setting it down, up and down, just to make sure it fits. The aftermarket Ford Performance strut towers, they work. You actually don't have to get the Cervinis. They work just fine on Colin's car, so I really didn't even need to order them. But we're just tightening everything up and setting it down. And be careful, you can actually, we did it too. We put this the wrong way as we were putting it on. If you put it the opposite way, it's gonna hit on this piece of plastic right there. Cowl hood is officially installed, and I must say, I definitely need one for Apollo now. Yeah, the car looks mean as shit. We might have to do a little bit more of adjusting on the fittings, or like the fitment of it. Just keep adjusting it because we're kind of running out of time. But so far, that looks good. It looks mean. I like the cowl hood. So the number one thing I always was like skeptical about is how it looks from the inside, because this is a 4-inch cowl hood. And I'll let you guys check the inside view. Shut the door, get the full effect. So this is like eye level. Eye level, I give it like, I mean, it ruins some visibility, like towards the very snout of the car. But overall, it's not that bad. I mean, everyone was kind of making a big deal about it. Like, oh my God, it's going to be so bad. You're not going to be able to see. If you just prop your seat up, like I'm kind of like slouched back too. So that looks good. I really have no complaints. Losing visibility, I say you lose a little bit, not much. Nothing like looking down that way. Nothing looking really crazy much that way because you still got that gap. But it's just mainly the front lip. It looks mean though, especially with the headlights and everything. Yeah, we definitely, drop a comment right now if we should get one for Apollo. That just makes it sit so aggressive looking. Especially with the RTR front lip, it kind of like all tied in together. Well, that's a wrap.
It's a race car now.
Full built, certified race car from Ford. Hood came out better than I thought, to be honest with you.
I think it's does that mean it has a supercharger in there now or what?
Yeah, we're just gonna say, we're gonna roll with that. And there she is, guys. It is negative 10 degrees out. I'm freezing my ass off. And you just saw an install on a 4-inch Cervini cowl hood. Turned out amazing. I am super stoked with it. I actually really want to put one on Apollo now. Everyone says, oh, you're gonna lose crazy visibility. It's not that bad at all. But thank you guys for watching. Till the next video, peace.
Up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibe.